Dun & Bradstreet has been providing extensive coverage to SMEs in India through its publication series. As a part of this initiative, Dun & Bradstreet India, in association with IBM, launched its publication dedicated to SMEs in the NCR.
From Dun & Bradstreet in association with IBM on the SMEs in NCR, unrivaled and unparalleled in the industry.
The launch of the publication witnessed representation from the key personalities of the industry.
I am pleased to welcome you to the launch of the latest edition of our cluster-based publication, SME Cluster Series 2009 NCR.
IBM is positioned, the way we have structured, we decided to embark on a huge investment.
We have to ask ourselves as a question, how to use new media and technology for generating more business. Can we use new media? You might be reading everyday stories, how people are using Facebook to connect with their customers, how people are using B2B marketplaces to freely promote their products and services. Because one of the key challenges that every small and medium enterprise is facing today is, where do I get more customers from? How do I connect with my customers on a day-to-day basis? We have to change our own culture a little bit. We have to be a little bit open with our own employees, to be able to experiment them, to allow them to experiment with newer media and newer technology.
The idea is to have our panelists share their experiences, examples and anecdotes which should sort of give a benchmark of how several of their colleagues, their own experiences, how they have overcome the challenges, how they have adapted technology, and what has been the success. So I'll just begin by inviting Jamil to start and give us a couple of insights from his experience. Jamil.
Basically, we find that it is the cluster.
I think garments or textile as a sector itself has been more to do with lesser dealing with the corporates, and since it has been lesser dealing with the corporates, I think there's IT adoption has, and two, it is lesser of an assembly line process. There are designs, there are a lot of those kind of permutations and combinations which are there, unlike in auto component, or where there are once you finalize one design, it is more of a achieving excellence in the efficiency and other things. So, but given the tough environment that we are in today, I think textile sector would be more prone to adapting bottom-up technology than a top-down technology approach adopted by auto components manufacturers, for example. So probably the textile manufacturers will go more towards generation of revenue, looking for more buyers, looking for more customers, than from auto component manufacturers who are more interested in streamlining their operations, cutting the cost, and making it more efficient.
Dinesh, use of IT. What exactly is the current usage of IT? I mean, is it from a basic level of email, as Jamil was also mentioning, to a certain level where you think it's at a certain level, but it needs to go to a next level?
If you really see, micro enterprises are more interested in probably communication and information part of the ICT. Out of the ICT, they are least interested or least bothered about investment in technology. They are more savvier to invest in communication part of it, or next step could be the information part of it. In fact, if I use micro, small and medium, the ICT should be communication, information and technology. The micro people are more interested in communication technology, The smaller business guys are more interested in information part of the technology, and the medium size of the companies are more interested in investing in technology for reaping in further returns.
Another cliche which I use is what if. So, I mean, people who are in the garmenting space would say, okay.
Another part here is that IT is so many times being confused as IT applications or software applications. In today's world, when we say IT or ICT, it is information communication and technology encompassing the whole media and communication itself. So information technology is more to do with information rather than to do with technology. See how I can get information from my business and how I can promote information about my business on the through technology.
Investing in technology, Rajiv, is it seen as a luxury or a necessity?
Now, see, at 16 rupee a minute, even a cell phone was a luxury. But at 50 paisa or an incoming free.
The idea is to have our panelists share their experiences, examples and anecdotes which should sort of give a benchmark of how several of their colleagues, their own experiences, how they have overcome the challenges, how they have adapted technology, and what has been the success. So I'll just begin by inviting Jamil to start and give us a couple of insights from his experience. Jamil.
Basically, I find that it is the cluster